In this video, we're going to explore the greenhouse effect, and many of the images and information are adapted from Let's Talk Science's lessons on the Clothing for Climate project. So the first thing is, what is the greenhouse effect? So if you know about greenhouses, and if you've ever been in a greenhouse, you know that they get really hot. And that's because they're made of glass or a transparent material. And the sun's rays come in, they enter, they pass right through, and then they're absorbed. Some of the sun's rays will bounce back out, and some of them remain within and bounce within the walls of the greenhouse and stay inside, warming up the greenhouse. Our atmosphere is kind of like the same thing. It acts like the glass of the greenhouse. So the greenhouse gases, or GHGs, let light energy in, but then they trap it within the atmosphere. If we didn't have enough of those greenhouse gases, it would be too cold on Earth. But if we have too many greenhouse gases, Earth overheats. And that's where we're at right now. We're worried that we're producing more greenhouse gases than are sustainable, and it's causing the warming overall of our atmosphere and leading to climate change. So again, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So the sun's radiation enters our atmosphere. Some of it bounces off the atmosphere. Some of it is absorbed, and it heats up the surface of the Earth. Some of that energy radiates back, and then some of it keeps bouncing back and forth and reheating the Earth. So carbon dioxide is our most common greenhouse gas, and it moves from Earth living things in the atmosphere by way of the carbon cycle, which we'll learn about in a different lesson. We release carbon dioxide when we breathe and when we burn fossil fuels, so driving cars and using them in factories, generating electricity if we use fossil fuels to do that. The carbon dioxide levels in our atmosphere are actually the highest they've been in 3 million years. So that is a bit concerning. Methane is the second most common greenhouse gas. And the main sources for that are fossil fuels, farming, and then actually waste. So landfills will, in the decomposition process, release some methane as well.